produkto ng Pinoy Dream Academy Season 1. Kaya abangan niyo po ang Pinoy Dream Academy Season 2. Kami na po yan in June.
Abangan nyo sa mga nanood ng Kapitan Boom kahapon. Maraming salamat po!
Congratulations, Kapitan Boom!
Every Saturday po yan after That's My Talk.
Ayan, every Saturday po yan after ng That's My Dog. At sa mga gustong makikimik with your favorite Kapamilya stars sa red carpet premiere ng sa box office, ang Hannah Montana and Miley Cyrus Most of Best Worlds concert. Sagutin lang ang tanong, sino si Hannah Montana?
Sino?
Text, pick, ABO, answer and name at the 2366 for Globe and TM and Sun Cellular and 231 for Smart and Talk and Text.
At ngayon, to sing the hit song of Hannah Montana, Best of Both Worlds, with the G-Force, X10 and Street Boys, here are the country's best love teams, Jake Roxanne, Matt Melissa, JR and Maha, John Shahida, and Kim and Gerald! Ladies and gentlemen, the stars of When Love Begins, Miss Ann Curtis and Mr. Aga
in the house.
Welcome to us. And of course, kasama natin si Mr. Rafael Rosel, Mickey, John, and Dion. Kasama rin po sila sa movie. Ann.
Yes.
Ang dami.
Parang pagod ka.
Bakit ka hinihingal?
Dahil ingit ako sa'yo dahil nakasama mo na si Mr. Aga mula. How do you feel?
Ay, hindi ko pa rin ma-explain yung feeling ko po. Sobra lang ako honored na nakatrabaho ko si Aga Mulak. Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat.
Mr. Aga, how was it working with Ann?
It was nice. It was a different experience to work with Miss Ann Curtis, who's kind of confused ba?
Hindi naman.
Happy ka?
Happy.
Oh, happy si Ann.
Happy.
Okay, tanda yan. Happy si Ann. Pero muna, babati muna ako sa inyo lahat dito sa Taguban ng magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. And sa lahat ng mga nanonood, good afternoon. Ayan.
Pare, congrats, ha? Congrats.
Siyempre, papanoorin namin to. Rafael, sino pang iba kasama?
Marami kaming kasama dito. Siyempre, nandito si Christopher De Leon, si Ronaldo Valdez, Boots Anson Roa, Dimples Romana, AJ Diat, marami pang iba.
Wow.
And of course,
mga kapamilya, this is directed by Jose Javier Reyes.
Yes,
ang pinakamagaling.
DJ.
Kakaiba.
John?
DJ.
Ang premiere night namin sa April 29 sa SM Mega Mall, Cinemas 4 and 9.
9 and 4.
At meron
9 and 10.
Actually, 16, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kahit saan.
9 and 10
At
pala.
may screening din kayo sa ibang bansa.
diba? Yun international screening. Abangan ninyo yun when love begins. Like in Hawaii, Dubai,
Yes.
Canada. Abangan ninyo.
Yes, sa April 30 na po and When Love Begins. Sana po supportahan niyo ang pelikula namin. Of course, this is under Star Cinema and Viva Films, directed by Direk Joey Reyes, starring Aga Mulak and yours truly. Pero syempre, karangalan po namin ang pelikong ito para sa inyo, kaya panuorin niyo po ito.
Thank you, Mr. Aga Mulak.